Celebrate the 70th anniversary of Ethiopian Airlines and welcome aboard Boeing's advanced McDonnell Douglas MD-11 wide-cabin 3-engine jetliner family produced by the Long Beach division of Boeing Commercial Airplanes. Ethiopian Cargo has over 60 years of experience, ever since the first cargo charter operation was launched to Nairobi, Kenya in 1946. The Ethiopian Cargo includes a diversified fleet of narrow and wide-bodied aircraft, from the MD-11 to the newest high-technology Boeing 777F, the world's largest and most capable twin-engine freighter in the world. The MD-11's low cost of equation, extended intercontinental nonstop range, lower fuel burn per trip, unrestricted over-water operation, and up to 44% more below-deck revenue pallet or container cargo capacity makes this a leading freighter of choice. Goods transported range from industrial products to perishables, shipped around the clock globally on scheduled and charter basis. Now available are special seasonal cargo rates as well as attractive incentive packages. For all your cargo needs, fly Ethiopian Airlines.